In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Shortcuts and Accessibility. Then scroll again, this time to select one-handed, and use gray switcher next to Access mini screen using gesture to enable one-handed mode. Then follow all of those instructions to turn it on. You can bring the mini screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then sliding out of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now to manage it, click on this icon of a crossed square at the top left corner and hold those dots to either remove your screen completely or to resize it. If you want to go back to the standard size one, click on this X at the top right corner. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!